What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I found this phone in Westchester, and I've been trying to contact the owner, and I just couldn't. So I was wondering if you could help me.
Oh, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna take the SIM out, so put it on a different phone, and maybe we can find the number. Let's see. Let's call the number and see if we can find the owner.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Well, I messaged them. Let's see if they're going to answer.
Hi.
Hi, did you lose any phone?
Yes, I lost an iPhone. It's a green one.
Green phone? Yes, we find your phone, and if you like to come get it, I will send you the address, okay? There's people
Sir,
here.
I'm not in New York right now, or whatever you are. I came back to Florida. So
Oh, we
I
are
don't know.
we are in Connecticut, so if you have anyone that you would like to pick it up.
Yeah, the thing is, the thing is that I have no. Can you send me the address?
She's in Florida.
I know I can bring it to Westchester.
I'll send you the address.
Please. Appreciate it. Thanks.